Wait. I know you're looking for the best place to make money free online. Yes. The reason why you're seeing this channel right now. Stop. Don't skip. Don't press anybody. Listen. Listen to this. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You are highly welcome and get ready to get the best analysis on currency and peers. Before I proceed, press the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive a quality content from me. So today I'll be using my phone, my mobile device, due to some reasons. So I'm looking at several moving pairs. So we are on gold. So there's a weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame to show what's really happening. So this is the daily time frame on gold. So as we can see, we made a double top. You can see it. I made a double top, which is here, which is this. You can see double top, and we pull down. I'll make a retest here, broken out. Now, may likely form a retest here like this, or something like so, before move to the upside, or break above the upside. So yes, this is what I'm looking at on gold. Or we can also have something like this. If only gold sustain on this level, if gold will not sustain this, it may come back to this zone and retest just like this, and before going to the upside. Yes, this is one of the characteristics of confirmation on a pair. So before a pair moves, it has to retest and move, not just tap and move. Retest, tap, retest, and move. That's it. So let's go to another pair. There's something really happening. US oil, yeah. The US oil. I predict this US oil that if the US oil will sustain above, below this zone, not above, below this zone, or may come bearish, or we may change the trend from bullish to bearish. So as you can see, we are already in the bearish. So we just want a pullback. Sorry, this is why I don't like this in my phone. A pullback. We've already broken, so I want a pullback. Actually, okay, a pullback, then retest a break like this, then retest. Come on, this phone is lagging. Yeah, something like so. This is just lagging. Stop. Yeah, that's just lagging, and this is what I don't like. It's glitching. Let's go to GBP USD. The most interesting part of it. GBP USD. Yeah, a nice one. Now, I'm interested in placing trade here. I'd like to see something like this. GBP USD, I'd like to see something like this. Like this. Maybe not too high. Then retest before moving. And this will only happen on 4 hours time frame, not the daily 4 hours time frame. Yes, exactly. Like what really happened at the left? What happened at the left? That's what I want to happen at the right hand side, the current market. So I want to say something like this, maybe this, before I jump into the trade. But my bias on it is bullish. You're getting this from the podcast from me, from TAR. Bullish, GBP bullish. What you have to do is keep buying. Only if you can sustain above the zone, like the way I drew it. Yes, go long GBP here live from my podcast. Go long on it. So let's go to Euro USD. I'm already on this trade. I'm on this trade already. You can see I'm already on this trade. So you're making. So this is my stop loss, my take profit. Let me go to the lower time frame. Daily. Yeah, I place the trade here. This is where I place the trade. Yeah, I place the trade here. Sorry. Yeah, I place the trade here around this level. Yes, this is where I place the trade. So you're making from it. So I place the trade due to the daily candlestick close above the zone. It kind of, the market is just romancing this trend, this counter trend line. So this is my place to trade. So I'm on this trade already. So I'm heading to the first level take profit. It's first level take profit before to the upside. That's for Euro USD, please. Euro USD long it. If you have money, stake it. I mean, wait for a little pullback, jump into the trade and start making money for yourself. And before I proceed, I would like you to know, if you want a tutorial, a mentorship on how to analyze your markets and stick on a particular bias and start making money, you can join our WhatsApp group. I have the WhatsApp group in my video description, around somewhere like that. You get it there. And also, I want you to understand something. When you have a good setup, don't be scared. Place the trade, and be sure. Make a good analysis and follow the right hands, follow the right person. Don't be deceived by flashy things, Let them show you workings, let them show you proofs that this thing works. So this is how the analysis been done. So let's go to the next one. And please like, share, subscribe. Let's build this channel together. BTC. I know people are watching on this. BTC. Yes, it's my view on BTC. Let's do the white nature. Yeah. BTC. BTC. Let me go to the weekly time frame. Come in. BTC. Let me look at something here. BTC. BTC is looking bullish. Double bottom one. Cancel. Bottom 2. 1, 2, double bottom. BTC may likely like to pull back a little bit on the 4 hours. I'm waiting for BTC to pull back a little bit before joining the move. So I would like a pullback from BTC, like so. Maybe not really deep, but like so. A pullback like so. But I would like it to come retest this and then confirm it like this. Then we'll start going to the upside. Anyhow, this is just a progress. So, but I want to pull back from BTC. Pull back like this. Then before we start going long, yes, a pull back before we go long. BTC. This is my focus on BTC. Please turn on that notification bell. You do me a favor. Yeah, I would love if you do that. Drop a comment. What page do you want us to check on? I'll be glad helping. And let me show you the reason why these things are happening. The DXY. This dollar index. Now we can see the dollar index here. If you go to the higher time frame, the bigger picture, so you see clearly. The dollar index, you can see formed a double bottom, which is from here to here. A double bottom is formed. Let me use this trend line. A double bottom is formed like so. A double bottom is formed, but we failed to break the neckline. If you can see, the neckline is failed to be broken. Assume this neckline is broken above like this. Now, all currency against the US dollar will be bearish. But now, at the stance, every pair against the US dollar will be bullish because the DXY is bearish already. It's already bearish below the zone, bearish. So there's a reason why all markets are kind of, like I see the United States, almost confused about the move. Yeah, because this in fact, this is just simple, very, very simple. It's really simple. Double bottom. You can see. This is nothing but a double bottom. Double bottom. Which are moving backward again. So meaning we can sustain this low and everything will be bullish. Yes. So please, if you want more content from us, valid content. So this today's let me see. Today's 8th of April. 8th of April 2026. This is a live broadcast for me. US oil bearish, GBP/USD bullish, EUR/USD bullish. Yes, these pairs are bullish, and BTC bullish, gold bullish. Yes, gold bullish. Bullish. Yes, you're hearing from my radio today. Bullish, gold bullish. Just trying to make a correction, but bullish. Gold bullish, GBP/USD bullish, EUR/USD bullish, BTC bullish. So thank you. Stay tuned and don't be deceived. God bless.